Recover your Snapchat account. New recovery code.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that a lot of Snapchat users have encountered, losing their recovery code. Losing the recovery code can be quite troubling, but don't worry, we're going to guide you through the process of getting a new one for your Snapchat account.
What is a Snapchat recovery code?
First off, let's understand what a Snapchat recovery code is. This is a unique code that Snapchat provides you as a form of two-factor authentication, 2FA. When you log into your Snapchat account from a new device, besides your password, you'll need this recovery code. So, if you lose it, it can be a hassle.
Can you get a new Snapchat recovery code?
So, the big question is, can you get a new recovery code if you've lost your old one? The answer is yes. Snapchat does allow you to generate a new recovery code. However, there's a catch. You must be logged into your Snapchat account. This is important because it prevents anyone else from generating a recovery code for your account.
How to generate a new Snapchat recovery code.
Now, let's get to the steps for generating a new recovery code. 1. Launch Snapchat and log into your account. As mentioned, you need to be logged into your account. 2. Access your account settings. Tap on your profile icon on the top left, then tap on the gear icon on the top right to get into your settings. 3. Navigate to the Two-Factor Authentication section. Here, you'll see options for SMS verification and recovery code. 4. Select Recovery Code. In this section, select Get a New Recovery Code. 5. Write down or screenshot your new recovery code. It's important to keep this code safe and secure. And that's it, you've got your new recovery code. In conclusion, losing your Snapchat recovery code isn't the end of the world. As long as you're still logged into your account, you can generate a new one with relative ease. Just remember to keep your new recovery code in a safe place. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep snapping safely, and we'll see you in the next one.